Hey folks, I'm Connor Drake, Senior Coach and Head of AI and Automation here at Mindmaven, and I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our newest program, AI for EAs. Because I think it's clear that AI is not going anywhere, and it's never going to be less capable than it is right now. But here's the thing, as exciting and as powerful as AI is, it can also feel overwhelming, especially at the pace that the industry moves. On top of that sense of overwhelm, I've been hearing a lot of fears bubbling around EAs because of the role that AI might play in the future of the EA job. And here's the truth. The way I see it, yes, AI has changed and will continue to change the industry of executive assistants. And yes, there are going to be some jobs that are eliminated. But the fact of the matter is, it's not AI that is taking these jobs. It's EAs who use AI who will begin to replace those who don't. And that's why we built this program. We wanted to equip EAs like you who are already brilliant, capable, amazing at what they do. We want to give you the tools that you need to be even more successful, not just to save time in your role, although that's certainly a big part of it, but to elevate your role so you become more and more of a strategic partner to your executive. And that is what AI is going to allow you to do. And that's why we built this program. We wanted to give you everything from the basic foundational skills you need, like how to leverage tools like ChatGPT more effectively, because although many people use them, most people do not use them as well as they could. And then ramp up to more advanced skills, like how to build no-code automations. So you can come in and start automating workflows that you do every single day that have to be done, but don't necessarily have to be done by you. That's going to free up your time, your energy, and your attention to better focus on those things that matter most, the parts of your role where being human is most important. And that's, again, where you graduate from being an EA to being that strategic partner that your executive relies on now and well into the future. You don't need to have any experience coming into this program. You can start with nothing. You haven't even opened ChatGPT, or maybe it's an industry you've been playing around with. You've tried different tools. Regardless of where you are, this program is designed to give you what you need to up-level and elevate your role. So if you're ready to future-proof your career and supercharge your effectiveness, please join us for the launch of the new program. I can't wait to see you there.